Data protection is, depending on whose perspective, if it's a consumer's perspective, it's protecting the personal data or information that I entrust to you as a company that I want to do business with. If it's from a company's perspective, it's making sure that you do put the right processes and protections in place to protect that personal data from your customers.
Data protection is the governance of information so that we recognize the full range of fundamental rights that impact individuals. So data protection is not just about protecting us from using information without our permission. Data protection is really about finding the balance between uses that encourage healthcare, that improve education, that make it possible for our children to have opportunities. So data protection is a very full fundamental right that facilitates all the range of other fundamental rights.
Data protection is ensuring that the rights of the consumer are protected and that your customer is looked after and is at the heart of what you do. Data protection is fundamentally looking after the consumer and ensuring that their rights are looked after.
Well, data protection is defined in the treaties and in European law, but basically it's about making sure that information about you is kept safe and secure and not used against your interests.
Data protection concerns the rules that protect individuals with regard to information about them that is collected in their everyday lives. So as we all know, especially with the development of technology, we leave traces of ourselves, bits and pieces of information here or there when we access websites, when we use our smartphones, and this is multiplying more and more as technology continues to develop. So data protection is the legal rules that are aimed to protect individuals with regard to the information that is flowing around on the internet and elsewhere.